Welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how to change the user profile or the login picture. It's the same thing. Okay, first click on this little apple from the corner and select and click on about this Mac. Then click on more info and you will land on this settings. By the way, you can either go from this about this Mac or click directly on system settings. It's the same thing. Now click on your current profile photo. You will see the profile here. Click on it. As you see, click on edit. And now you can select between using emojis, for example, a pose of an emoji. As you see, it is displayed here. You can zoom in, out, and you can even go with the same pose with style. You can set emojis like this. You can use monogram like this. Here you can, from this camera, you can record yourself or take a picture of yourself and set it as the photo. You can even use photos imported to the photo. So how to see your images here? I think you can't. Let's see if I can. I don't think you can add it. As you see, you can't import it directly. So what you should do, you should first open the Photos app like this, then drag and drop the photo that you want to use as your profile picture, and then close the Photo app. This way, close this again, click on edit another time, go to photos, and here you will see the photo imported to the Photos app. Select it like this and you will see it here. You can zoom in or out. And you can even select the classic emojis like those, but in my case or for this video I will go with this photo. You can still zoom in or out like this, and don't forget to hit the save button to save this picture as your profile picture or login picture. And this is the photo that you will start seeing when you try to log in to your MacBook. And this is how to change the user profile or the login picture on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.